Hey my friend, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you the latest hack to get a free Sora 2 invite code in a minute. But promise me you will subscribe to my channel once this worked for you. Let's get to it now.
All right, guys. So this is the site you get once you click to the link in the description. So please make sure you are using a VPN connected to the USA or Canada. So this is how to work. So here I'm using a WineScribe VPN connected to the USA. So once you are sure you are using that VPN correctly, so you go to the site. All right. So you say so now once you're there right now. So once you're there right now, you click on this. I promise to give back my code. So once you click on that, you copy it, head over to this place, paste it, then you send it. Now here it says how many people will you help. So you click on four, then you send it. So once you send it, type this I will repay with the code. Then head over and paste it. Once you paste it, then you are here with the code. So guys, go to Sora and paste it. All right, so let's see. So guys, as simple as ABC, we are into Sora. Can't you see? This is very easy, right? Okay. So that code they gave us here is very useful. Can't you see it? So this is how you do it. So get started. So please, if it doesn't work for you, please ensure you keep retrying it. Okay, keep on trying. Okay. You mustn't just stop, okay? You keep on trying it over and over again, okay? So keep on trying over and over again until you see it work for you. It works perfectly, guys. This is what I have I have witnessed, and it's working. So I share this for you guys so that you can use it too. So please subscribe to my channel, just like you promised, okay? So let's do something right now. Okay, let's test it. Okay, so all right. So click on the select duration. So let us make it for those 10 seconds. Then let's use a landscape. Okay, okay. No way to subscribe to my channel, actual video. All right. Okay, so go head over to your profile. Head over to your profile. Okay, so this is my profile. Can't you see my profile? Okay, so okay, okay. So the video is trying to generate. So once it's done, so check it. Can't you see it's a fresh profile, right? See zero post. Okay, so it works very well, perfectly. So let's get to see. Okay, let's see it. So guys, this is how you do it, okay? So you can just go like this and save video. Okay. So once you can download the video to your device. So once you're done downloading, then I want to show you another trick, something that you so once you've downloaded the video, okay, okay, so you can head over to this place. Can you see this place? I want to save this place. I won't say the name of the place, but this is if you understand what I'm doing here, so you know what I'm doing. So go to upload. Okay, this is the video. All right. Okay. So see what it has done. Okay. All right. See, have you seen it? You see. So once you use it, it clears off this. Okay. So then head over to download. Okay. Download. All right. So download. Then you get the video without that. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. See you guys once again. Please subscribe to my channel.